Hey, guys, welcome back to my channel. I will show the top 5 best camera sliders 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, whether it's price, performance, or particular use. We've got you covered. For more information, I have put links to the product in the description. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started with the video. Number 5. Trexo Wheels Image Processing Table, Top Dolly Camera, Slider for smartphones and DSLR cameras, app-supported Android and iOS, programmable, ultra-silent step motors image processing technology. Trexo Wheels Table Top Dolly uses the camera path mode to put several key points to create sophisticated camera movement with the help of the integrated image processing technology. You can draw straight, curved lines and combine them for sophisticated paths. Learning mode. With the help of the learning mode, Trexo Wheels camera slider can be programmed without using a mobile device. All you have to do is teach the route you want to perform and repeat as much as you want with a single tap. Turntable Kit. Trexo Wheels Dolly includes black and white turntable plates for your 360 degrees product shots and videos. You can either use the turntable kit on a flat surface or on tripod, which will give you the freedom to shot wherever you want. App-supported Android and iOS. Trexo Wheels camera slider has dedicated iOS and Android apps, which has intuitive and lean design, help you to have the easiest interface to control your camera. When the application is open, it scans for the Trexo wheels and connects automatically. It's very easy to take Trexo wheels on a loop mode for interviews or convert the movement to a time-lapse without dealing with any annoying calculations. Number 4. iFootage Camera Slider Track, Aluminum 16.6-foot Dolly Rail Video Stabilizer Professional for DSLR Camera DV Video Camcorder Film Photography. Shark Slider Nano N1B Red Dot Design Award winner. iFootage Shark Nano is upgraded version based on previous camera slider. 2018 Red Dot Design Award winner, Product Design Award. Mini and light enough to carry in a backpack, but also big enough to provide you with superbly smooth slider movement wherever and whenever you need it. Shark Slider Nano, full automatic, unique 2-in-1 dual-axis motion control design, combines slide movement with 360-degree pan movement. Slider endurance time is 5H, vertical payload is 2 kilograms, and tripod horizontal payload is 2.5 kilograms. 2-way to control. Enjoy total slider functionality and control via the innovative IPS touchscreen or smartphone app. Wireless control using Bluetooth BLE 5.0 and 2.4 GHz. Simple and fast deployment. Smart App Remote Control Technology. Search iFootage Moco in the App Store and then download. Supported by all iOS systems. Slides include a B-point focus function and Bezier curve timeline control, panoramic and full automatic control. Number 3. Neewer Carbon Fiber Camera Track Slider Video Stabilizer Rail 80 cm, 6 U-shaped ball bearings. U-shaped ball bearings under the slider part to ensure both smooth motion and minimum abrasion on high-grade carbon fiber tubes. Flexible uses. The track can be used on the ground or worked with a tripod. It can be directly connected with the camera or indirectly connected with the camera via ball head. Number 2. JOBY Swing Bluetooth Electronic Slider, Linear Motion Control, Motorized Mobile Phone Slider, Video Slider, Tripod Mount, Vlogging, Content Creation, Motion Filming, Time-Lapse, App Control. Swing It, Compact App-Controlled Electronic Slider for smartphone creators. Not compatible with cameras or action cams. *OIS may affect your videos. Use a front or ultra-wide camera for better results. Mounted. This motorized slider is able to be mounted to RangePod Smart or other full-size supports via the standard 1/4 inch -20 mounting point. Parrot. Number 1. Nest Doorbell Battery, Wireless Doorbell Camera Video Doorbell Linen. The Nest Doorbell has built-in intelligence and can tell the difference between a person, package, animal, and vehicle and send you an alert in the Google Home app. 1. No subscription required. Easily check in from anywhere 24/7 with live HD video with HDR and night vision. 1. See what you missed with 3 hours of free event video history. 2. Or add a Nest Aware subscription, sold separately, for up to 60 days of event video history. 3. If your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage, the Nest Doorbell will store up to 1 hour of recorded events so you can see what you missed. 4. The Nest Doorbell is easy to install, wired or wire-free. The built-in battery means it works with any door, or connect it to your existing doorbell wires with the included wire connector whether you choose battery or wired installation. The battery-powered Nest doorbell cannot continuously